We're here to guide you through the Facebook business page deletion process step by step. Whether you're closing up shop, shifting platforms, or just simplifying your online presence. Look to the left side of your business page and click on the Settings tab. Once you're in Settings, click on the Privacy option. Look for Facebook page information and click on it. Click on View Deletion and Deactivation. This is where you'll decide whether to permanently delete your page or just hide it temporarily. To permanently say goodbye to your page, select Delete Page and click Continue. Facebook then gives you the chance to save or transfer any important info before it's gone for good. Once you're happy, hit Continue. To make sure it's really you making this decision, Facebook will ask for your password. Enter it and click Continue. A screen will appear asking you to confirm one last time. Take a deep breath and click Continue. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Facebook business page. Even after all those steps, Facebook gives you 30 days to change your mind. If you realize you miss your page, you can reactivate it within that time frame. However, after those 30 days are up, the deletion process kicks in and there's no going back. All content and information will be wiped clean.